Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Now, I've never been the kind of mom that has fresh baked cookies ready when their kids get home from school, but that doesn't mean that I can't change. Now that I have this Dash mini donut maker, I have been having so much fun baking in the kitchen. It seriously only takes 20 minutes to cook up a nice batch of chocolate mini donuts. This is with the maple glaze. It's so good. This is really simple to use, and it's made for people like me that just aren't great when it comes to desserts. There's a recipe book with so many different kinds of donuts and glazes to be able to try on your own. I was even able to easily modify the recipes to make them gluten-free, and they're not hard as a rock. This donut maker makes 7 mini donuts at a time, and it only takes about 5 minutes to make each batch. I did have to modify the amount of time that they were in there since I did gluten-free. I took off about a full minute, so that means the donuts were ready in 4 minutes instead of 5. This was really easy to use. You just pour the batter in, shut the lid, set a timer. When the timer goes off, you flip the donuts using a toothpick and set the timer again. Voila, 7 donuts are done and you're ready for the next batch. I really love having this because I can finally enjoy fresh made gluten-free donuts, and it takes no time at all. Now I'm gonna be that kind of mom, and that's my point of view.